I'll show you 10 things that you'll immediately hate about Windows 11. Let's do a lightning round. First off, there'll be immovable taskbar icons. Second, there's email ID in the settings. Third, the app folder management is bad. Fourth, Microsoft 365 redirect is in the Windows settings. Fifth, Microsoft still can't figure out context menus. Six, the new start menu. Some people really do not like this, and I could see why. Seventh, the lack of local accounts. You can only sign in with a Microsoft account. Some people really dislike this, including me, because I think it's a bit unnecessary to keep everything online. 8. The lack of browser choices. When you first sign in, usually Windows forces you to use Microsoft Edge. And some people like to use Chrome, some people like to use Firefox. And when you first sign into Windows, you will be forced to use Edge until you get a different browser. Ninth, changing the default app in Windows 11 is pretty difficult. And finally, 10th, you will still need a third-party antivirus software because on Windows Defender, it's actually pretty good right now, but a lot of experts say that it's not seal proof, right? So it's better to have another layer of antivirus on top of Windows Defender to help you out with the security. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.